Welcome to All Motors brand, your one-stop destination for in-depth automotive reviews, the latest vehicle launches, and detailed feature breakdowns across all major car manufacturers. Whether you are a passionate enthusiast or a curious buyer looking for your next luxury experience, we bring you expert insights and unbiased opinions to help you stay ahead in the world of automobiles. Today, we are diving into the luxurious world of the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach S-Class, a vehicle that continues to redefine what it means to drive in opulence and comfort. The Maybach has always stood as the epitome of elite engineering, and the 2026 model raises the bar even higher. Built on the foundation of the regular S-Class, the Maybach version is extended for extra comfort, enhanced with next-generation tech, and crafted to provide the ultimate chauffeur-driven experience. Everything from its exterior design to its cabin experience is aimed at delivering royalty-level comfort. From the outside, the 2026 Maybach S-Class showcases an evolutionary design. The elongated wheelbase is subtly integrated into its form, giving it a graceful and commanding presence. The vertical chrome grille with finely detailed lines, sleek multi-beam LED headlights, and an elegant two-tone paint option make this sedan instantly recognizable. At the rear, the seamless LED tail lamps and Maybach badging complete its regal styling. Exclusive alloy wheel designs and a soft closed-door mechanism enhance the sense of sophistication. Under the hood, the 2026 Maybach S-Class continues to offer powerful engine options. The flagship variant is equipped with a V8 twin-turbocharged engine integrated with a 48-volt mild hybrid system. This combination delivers smooth power delivery, excellent throttle response, and a whisper-quiet driving experience. The all-wheel drive system ensures balanced handling, while the air suspension with active ride control delivers an effortlessly smooth and stable ride, no matter the road condition. Step inside and you enter a cabin that feels more like a private jet lounge. The interior is a symphony of fine leathers, polished wood, ambient lighting, and cutting-edge technology. The seats are wider, more padded, and come with ventilation, heating, massage, and recline functions. Rear passengers get the most attention with executive-style chairs, fold-out tables, a fridge, and individual screens for entertainment. The new MBUX infotainment system has been further refined with a 12.8-inch OLED central display, voice assistance, and even gesture control. Everything can be personalized, from seat settings to lighting moods. Safety and tech are where Mercedes continues to impress. The 2026 Maybach S-Class includes the latest version of Mercedes' semi-autonomous drive pilot system. This allows hands-free driving in certain conditions and can handle braking, steering, and lane changes. There are also over 20 driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, 360-degree cameras, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. An advanced cabin monitoring system also tracks driver attentiveness and passenger well-being. One of the biggest highlights of this model is the sound experience. A top-of-the-line Burmester 4D surround sound system turns the cabin into a concert hall. Combined with noise-canceling technology and laminated acoustic glass, the cabin remains peaceful and immersive at all times. Passengers can enjoy complete privacy and a serene environment even while traveling through busy city traffic. The rear compartment is nothing short of a first-class suite. Features like a rear seat entertainment system, individual climate zones, and powered sunshades make long journeys more enjoyable. The ride comfort is enhanced by road surface scanning that adjusts the suspension in advance. Rear-wheel steering improves maneuverability, making even tight turns feel easy in this large luxury sedan. Mercedes has also integrated sustainability in the 2026 Maybach with improved fuel efficiency and the use of eco-conscious materials without compromising luxury. The mild hybrid system not only enhances performance but also contributes to a lower carbon footprint. Owners can enjoy the benefits of advanced technology while being mindful of the environment. In conclusion, the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach S-Class is not just a car but a statement. It's for those who demand the very best in comfort, innovation, and prestige. From the rich materials and silent powertrain to the futuristic technology and unmatched ride quality, the Maybach S-Class continues to lead the luxury segment in every possible way. If you love cars as much as we do and want to stay updated with the latest reviews, features, and detailed automotive content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. At All Motors brand, we bring the world of luxury and performance right to your screen. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more.